Hi there, welcome to MathCamp channel. Today we are going to convert square units. So in this question we have to convert 3.296 square meter into square millimeter. So let's start. We have to start with our basic unit conversion technique that we have King Harry died by drinking chocolate milk. So K stands for kilo, this for hectare, this is deca, this is basic. In this basic we have liter, we have meter, and we have gram. This D for deci, this is for centi, this M for milli. For detailed video you can go to my YouTube channel and you can search for conversion of units. So here we have the unit is given meter square, so meter is the basic unit which is here, and we have to find out millimeter, and millimeter is there. So we have to see how many jumps we have to take. 1, 2, 3, and each jump is of 10 times 10 times 10. That means 3.296 has to multiply by 10 into 10 into 10, which is going to be 1000. But keep in mind we have squared unit, so this 1000 has to be square as well. So once we will solve this one, so 3.296 times, so 1000 into 1000 is going to be 1 million. And when we multiply with 10 or family of 10, remember we have to move decimal point forward. So this is the decimal point here that has to take jumps forward, and how much of it has to take? Number of zeros. So we have 6 zeros. So let's do 3.296. So 3 jumps will take forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The decimal will be here, and these gaps will be filled with zeros. So the answer for this question is 3,296,000. Let's solve this question. This time we have centimeter square and we have to convert into kilometer square. So again I'm going to start with my conversion tool. King Harry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now this time this time we have to convert centimeter into kilometer. So this C stands for centi and this is kilo. So we have to move backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each jump is of 10. So which is when we move backward, so it is going to be divided by 10. So 539,000,000 divided by, so we are taking 5 jumps. So 1 with 5 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this time the unit is again square, so we have to square it. So that means these zeros are going to double. So 539,000,000 divided by, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we have to, as it is square, so again 5 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps, and the decimal point of this number is at the end, and it has to take 10 jumps backward as we are dividing, so decimal jumps will be backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this 10. The decimal is here, and this is going to be filled with 0. So answer for this question is going to be 0.0, so 539. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood. Take care. Bye bye.